വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥി ഇന്നിവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Please give it up for Sofia Singh, the reigning Miss Asia Pacific International 2024 to grace the rank. Gorgeous, the red lady. Yeah, so we all know that everybody is so excited to meet you. Yeah, and we could see a lot of girls who dreams just like you to come to a point where you are standing right now in life. We would love to know your thoughts, so could you please share a few words with our audience?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Beautiful. Thank you so much, Lulu, and thank you so much, everybody over here present. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Sofia. So right now, may I invite Mr. Raji, Deputy General Manager of Lulu Hypermarket, to present a bouquet to our dear Sofia. Hamper from Pons and Tresemme is waiting for you. So thank you. You may join the audience. So for handing over the hamper, I
All the very best. I know you all have came up over here from very long journey. Best, and I.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sophia, you may please join the audience.
You can have whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. You can have whatever.
very short break, but I'm sure നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കും ബോറടിക്കില്ല because Cochin Bypass and Tanda is ready right there in the backstage to entertain you with their backup performance. So you guys stay tuned. ഇനി നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ last third roundലേക്ക് ആയിരിക്കും പോവുക. So I'll see you in the third round.
Welcome to Horns and Tresemme presents Lulu Beauty Fest 2024 edition, powered by Fiamma Yardley London in association with Enchanter and Dermacare.
Presents Lulu Beauty Fest 2024, powered by Fiamma and Yardley London in association with Enchanter and Dermacare. Co-sponsored by L'Oreal, Garnier, Nivea, Royal Mirage, Mama Earth, Dermaco, Joey's and Wow. Radio partner, Radio Mango. Hospitality partner, Grand Hyatt Kochi. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് വളരെ വാശിയേറിയ ഒരു പോരാട്ടമാണ്. 2 റൗണ്ട്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞു, which was the ethnic round and a formal western wear round. ഇനി ഒരു റൗണ്ട് കൂടിയിട്ടാണ് പെൻഡിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. I hope you all are enjoying the show. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ നടക്കുന്ന ഈ ഒരു പേജന്റ് ഷോ അല്ലാതെ നിങ്ങൾ എന്റർടൈൻ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് താണ്ഡവ് ബാൻഡ്